Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. In last video, we have seen the importance of saving money. Today, we will see how to identify notes and coins. Objectives: to know about Indian currency notes and coins and can recognize them. To know the denomination available in Indian currency. Let's start with the phrase money does not grow on trees. Means the things that grow on trees are usually easy to pick out, but money is not in the same league or group. We have to put an effort in earning money. To earn money, we need to work very hard. Children, money does not just come from mom and dad's wallet. When they work, they get paid. When they don't get paid. Money comes from work. So, it is important to know how to give, save and spend money. Our Indian currency is rupee. Children, just think what would have happened if there was no money? Think and share your answers with your parents, or you can comment it in comment box. Children, let's see real notes and coins. This is 500 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note. This is 20 rupees note. This is 10 rupees note. This is 10 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. And this is 1 rupee coin. Children, open page number 90. Just you have observed notes and coins. So write C for coins and N for notes. Here, like this is 1 rupees coin. Now here 2 rupees coin. So here will come C. Now here 5 rupees is also coin. So here will come C. There is no note or coin of rupees 6, 3, 4. So here don't write anything. 7 rupees also there is no coin and note. So don't write anything. Then for 10 rupees, here coin is also and note is also there. Like this, complete this page. We have coins for smaller amounts such as 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Also, we have notes for amounts such as 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 2000. However, notes for amounts 1, 2 and 5 are not made anymore. Do we have coins and notes for all amounts such as rupees 13? How will you make a payment for such an amount? We don't have any coin or note that represents such amounts. That is why we use a combination of coins and notes. Let's see what does denomination mean. Denomination means the value of a note or a coin. We showed money using C and N on the money line. Similarly, every country uses some sign to show its money. India uses for rupees. This is the symbol of Indian currency, rupees. Find out the currency symbols for any two countries and write them here. For example, Indian currency is rupees. Then America's currency is dollar. Germany's currency is euro. England's currency is pound. Like this, find out any two country symbols and write it here. What are the forms in which Indian currency exists? The forms in which Indian currency exists are paper notes and coins. Dr. Uday Kumar designed the symbol of the Indian rupee in 2010. Observe this 200 rupees note. The denomination of this note is 200 rupees. Denomination means value of a note or a coin. So, the value of this note is 200 rupees. The value written on a note or a coin is called its denomination. Here, it is written here 200. It means the value of this note is 200 rupees. The value of this note is 20 rupees. The value of this coin is 5 rupees. Children, we know the symbol of our currency is rupees here. So, like this, I am going to show you one more note of Sri Lanka. Here, I have collection of Sri Lanka's notes and coins. This is Sri Lanka's 100 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note. This is 20 rupees note. These are 2 rupees coins. These are 10 rupees coins. These are 5 rupees coins. These are the coins of Sri Lanka. This is the note of $5. It is American currency. Dollar is American currency. Page number 95 is for homework. Now let's see question I act. Solve the following questions in your notebook. Question number 1. How many rupees 50 notes will Vinay get in the exchange of rupees 400? Let's see. 250 rupees notes means 100 rupees. This is 200 rupees. This is 300 rupees. And this is 400 rupees. Let's count the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, here Vinay will get 8 notes of 50 rupees in the exchange of rupees 400. Let's see question number 2. Rashmi has 3 notes of rupees 100 and 2 notes of rupees 50. What is the total amount of money she has? See here, 3 notes of 100 rupees and 2 notes of 50 rupees. 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300 and 300 plus 50, 350 and 350 plus 50, 400. Children, you can do the addition in your notebook also. So children, Rashmi has 400 rupees. Question number 3. Geeta exchanged rupees 200 for 10 notes of rupees 10 and a few notes of rupees 50. How many notes of rupees 50 did she get? Let's see. Children, after exchanging, Geeta has 10 notes of 10 rupees. 10 times 10 means 100. So these are 100 rupees. So she has 100 rupees. And also she got 2 50 rupees notes. So this 50 plus 50, 100. This 100 and this 100 becomes 200. Question number 4. Inaya needs the change for rupees 100. She wants notes in the denominations of rupees 20 and rupees 5. Write down all the possible combinations. Children, to solve this question, sit with your parents and try to do the possible combinations for rupees 100 using 20 rupees note and 5 rupees notes. For example, 20 rupees, 4 notes and 5 rupees, 4 coins. Is equal to 100 rupees. Let's see one more combination. 20 rupees, 3 notes and 5 rupees, 6 coins. So like this, children, try to make possible combinations for rupees 100. So children, solve question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your maths notebook. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy.